Hello from Portugal. My name is... Oops, that's not my name. Of course, if I'm inviting you to visit our joint project, I need some magic and a lot of science to reveal my name. I will be with a fantastic magician and chemist that I met at Science on Stage.
Hello there. I teach chemistry at a school in the north of Scotland in the United Kingdom. And my name is... It's gone. Forgotten it. Never mind. I wrote it down. Here, have a look. Somebody's put something there. Never mind. I happen to have some magic water that we can do that might just get me out of this situation. Oh. Thank goodness for the magic water. The objectives of our project were to use magical science demonstrations to make science more exciting for everyone, including pupils, teachers and parents. We wanted to enhance students' confidence, communication and presentation skills, allow them to be creative and see the links of science with performing arts such as magic. We wanted to collect and develop resources for teachers and students to use, using our own ideas and also ideas we had seen demonstrated as part of our Science on Stage webinars, and these ideas were presented from teachers all around Europe. We arranged a joint project visit. I travelled to Rute in Portugal, where we ran a workshop for teachers with a science magic theme. We also hosted a science fair in which students performed science magic demonstrations for other students, teachers and parents. Since my joint visit project to Rute, she has run workshops for other teachers in Portugal, and I've run workshops for teachers in Scotland, as well as performing magic for families at science festivals.
Visit our website for 21 magic tricks and their scientific explanations. We also have a YouTube channel with step-by-step tutorials. Don't miss out.